Let's solve this equation. So now we have here fractions in this equation, and the way we can solve this equation is by finding the LCD. The LCD is again the LCM of all the fractions. So we have 8, 2, and 4. So the LCD is 8. For those of you who have problems figure out the LCD, you can rewrite the denominator as a product of primes. So I have 8 is simply 2 times 2 times 2, or you can write it as 2 cubed. And I have 4, which is 2 times 2. So we can rewrite this as 2 square. And 2 is simply 2, so I'll leave that like this. So the way we find the LCD is we select common factors with the greatest power. If we have a factor that's not common, we still have to count this. So the LCD here is what? What do we have to select? Since 2 is common to all 3, we have to select, this is the same as 2 to the 1. We have to select the one with the greatest power. The one with the greatest power is 3. So the LCD is 2 cubed, and 2 cubed is 8. Okay, so the LCD is 8. The way we solve now this equation is we multiply both sides of the equation by 8 in order to clear the fraction. So we multiply the first term by 8, second one, and now this 8 cancels with this 8, so we are left with 5x here plus this 8 divides by 2, so we're left with 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So now we have plus 1 times 4, or simply 4, equal. And now we have 8 divided by 4, that's 2. So negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. So now we cleared the fractions by multiplying with the LCD, and now we solve the equation. We have to isolate x, so we need to subtract 4 on both sides, and that gives me 5x, this cancels out, equal to negative 6 minus 4, that's a negative 10. And now we divide by the coefficient of x, which is 5. So x becomes equal to negative 10 divided by 5 is negative 2. X equal negative 2 is the solution to the equation.